Is your clutter just doing the most right now? And if it is, does that mean you're failing at organizing? No, ma'am. Today, I'm sharing 9 Black women-led organizing groups and communities that will give you the support you need to get your house in order. And with that, let's get started. Family, welcome back to Mommy Room Redo, the channel that celebrates our homes, our culture, and our creativity, one soulful space at a time. In this video, we're talking 9 Black women-led organizing groups broken down by the platforms Facebook and Instagram, so you can choose the kind of support that actually fits the season you're in right now. These next spaces all live on Facebook. Some are groups you can join and some are pages you can follow, but all of them are places where Black women are organizing with support. Black Girl Minimalist. This private Facebook group has approximately 6,000 members. If you're in a season of simplifying and letting go, Black Girl Minimalist centers decluttering and intentional living through a Black woman's lens while allowing you to keep your authenticity. Black Girls Organize, otherwise known as BGO. BGO has approximately 1,200 followers. BGO is more tools and solutions focused. This is a Facebook page where you'll see organizing products, systems, and practical ideas that you can actually use. Black women who love organizing. This private Facebook group has approximately 18,000 members. I joined Black Women Who Love Organizing back in October 2025, and this group feels more intimate than others. You'll see encouragement, routines, and women celebrating the small wins, which matter just as much as the big ones. Black Women Who Organize is a private Facebook group with approximately 125,000 members. I've been a part of this group since January 2021, and I love the engagement as well as the support. As you see here, when I revamped my linen closet, I posted the results and got more than 300 likes. Clever Girl Finance. This is a Facebook page and an education platform founded by an African American woman. Though it serves a broad spectrum of ladies, many African American women follow the page for structure around debt payoff, saving, and building real wealth. The Organized Money Facebook page is hosted by a personal coach, and she has roughly 95,000 followers. It was developed to help you gain a handle on your finances. It looks at budgets, money systems, and accountability, because getting your house in order also includes your money too. These next spaces live on Instagram. These are pages you follow, not join. They're perfect for inspiration, routines, and day-to-day reminders that you're not doing this alone. Black Girls Living Well focuses on routines, wellness, and intentional living. The page has roughly 500 followers. If you're trying to organize your life in a way that feels calm instead of chaotic, this page gives you that steady, grounding energy. Black Girls Who Organize on Instagram. This highlights Black women organizing professionally and personally. Has approximately 4,200
followers. It's a great follow if you like learning, seeing different organizing styles, and understanding what systems can look like across real homes and lifestyles. Black Minimalists on Instagram has approximately 4,000 members. It focuses on simplifying without erasing Black culture. This page blends decluttering, intentional living, and mindset shifts in a way that feels realistic, not extreme or rigid. I want to make sure you're aware of the Mommy Room Redo Facebook page. Our Cozy Crew showcases all types of organizing tips, hacks, and features like our linen closet redo. So you can join to make a connection or post your pics. We would love to have you. Quick temperature check. I just want to make sure you're good. If this is your kind of conversation, I want to invite you to a deeper connection by joining the Redo Room right here on YouTube. This is Black decor with intention and meaning. To join, just click the join button next to subscribe on this video. If you're watching on your phone, tap join right under the video title. Everything happens right here on YouTube. All right, so which of these groups are you going to connect with? Put your response down in the comments. I'd like to leave you with your soft life moment. If your whole house feels overwhelming, don't try to organize everything at once. Instead, commit to one small space a day. For example, on Monday, clean out one junk drawer. On Tuesday, tackle the bathroom sink cabinet. Wednesday, clean out your purse. Thursday, clear that nightstand. And Friday, tackle one section of the fridge. I'm asking you to commit 15 minutes. That's it. We're not training for an organizing marathon. We're building habits that fit real life. And for my Redo Room Prime members, we'll send you the full 30-day organizing plan already mapped out so you can start today. Because Black women don't organize alone.
Thanks for hanging out with me today, family. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next soulful, inspirational moment right here on Mommy Room Redo.